Tamilnadu State Board Class 10 Board Examination video solution. We are looking at 2019 board paper, math paper, question number 7. Topic on the coordinate geometry. What is the concept tested? The concept tested is application of the section formula. We will read the question. There is one important aspect in the wording of the question. Adala we will spend a minute and then let's write down the section formula, apply the section formula and arrive at the answer. Right. The line segment joining points AB, points AB oda coordinates கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, meets the x-axis as at point P. In the line segment, x-axis எங்க cut பண்ணதா, it's cutting it at point P. Then the ratio in which point P divides this line segment AB, அதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Let's draw this in an xy plane. ஒரு graph paperல வரைஞ்சோம்னா point A coordinates are 3, 4, point B coordinates are 14, -3. In the line segment cuts the x-axis at point P. So this is point P for us. Point P evidently is on the x-axis, right? Point P on the x-axis இருக்குங்கிறது clear ஆ தெரியும். x-axis இருக்கிற எந்த பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தாலும் அதோட ஒரு important property வந்து அதோட y coordinate is going to be 0. So the y coordinate of any point on the x-axis is a 0. X coordinate என்ன நமக்கு தெரியாது. So let's take it to be equal to x. So the coordinates of point P are x, 0. ஒரு coordinate என்ன தெரியாது, x coordinate என்ன தெரியாது, but y coordinate 0 definite ஆ தெரியும். நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? What is the ratio in which this point P divides this line segment AB? Let's say it's dividing it in the ratio m:1. So in the ratio தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இதுக்கு வந்து we are going to be applying the section formula. Section formula என்ன? Point P அதோட coordinates வந்து x, y ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Divides line segment joining points AB, line segment AB. A ஓட coordinates வந்து x1, y1 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். நமக்கு வந்து that is 3, 4. Point B ஓட coordinates let it be x2, y2. And let this point P divide it in the ratio of m:1. இப்படி இருந்தால், then the coordinates of point P can be found out as follows. X coordinate is found out as mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. The y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this is what we have. இப்போ நமக்கு எந்த coordinate value இருக்கு point P ல, x க்கு value இல்ல, x னே வச்சிருக்கோம். Y க்கு we have value, y is equal to 0. So let's find out the y coordinate applying the section formula and equate it to 0. So m into y2, y2 எவ்வளவு? -3, m into -3 plus n into y1, n into y1 is a 4, n into 4 divided by m plus n. So this is how we would have found out the y coordinate using the section formula. நமக்கு இந்த y coordinate என்னன்னு தெரியும்? Y coordinate is equal to 0 ன்னு தெரியும். Cross multiply this m plus n into 0 will be a 0. So what we will have is -3m plus 4n is equal to a 0. -3m plus 4n is equal to 0. Translates to 3m is equal to 4n. Right? Taking it to the other side and rewriting it this way. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? We need to find out this ratio m:1. Any ratio m:1 when written in a fraction, it will be of the form m by n. So m by n கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம்னா m:1 நமக்கு தெரியும். So m by n, take this n to the left hand side denominator, so that's going to become m by n. Take the 3 to the right hand side denominator, it's going to become 4 by 3. m by n is equal to 4 by 3, therefore m:n is equal to 4:3. Choice A is the correct answer to this question. So in the question ஒரே ஒரு important point P cuts the x-axis ன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா நமக்கு வந்து the y coordinate of point P is equal to 0. Then it's basically straightforward, simple application of the section formula. Before you leave, subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/prepedge and turn on notifications. இந்த கேள்வி மாத்திரம் இல்லை, வேறு எந்த கேள்வியில் உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருந்தாலும், easiest thing that you have to do, if it's a question, doubt in the example questions given in the textbook or if it's exercise question given in the textbook, அதை வந்து இந்த வீடியோவில் இருக்கிற comment sectionல post பண்ணுங்க. ஈஸியாக இருந்த டவுட்னா we'll answer it using a text answer itself. இல்லை அதுக்கு ஒரு வீடியோ ஷூட் பண்ணி போட்டால் பெட்டராக இருக்குன்னா we'll shoot a video and give the link of that video in the comment section. Right? Best wishes for scoring 100% in your board examination.